Welcome to English Listening Practice. This video is designed for learners of all levels. Listen carefully and try to understand the story. Let's begin. On Monday morning, Layla was sitting in the university library in Brno, staring at her laptop screen. Outside, people were walking to class with coffee and headphones, but Layla didn't feel calm at all. She had 1 week to finish an application for a summer program in Ireland, and she wanted it badly. It wasn't only about travel. The program included an internship, and her teacher had said it could help her future career. She opened the checklist again: CV, motivation letter, 2 recommendation letters, and 1 printed portfolio with photos of her design work. The online parts were almost ready. The problem was the portfolio. It had to be printed in color, in a specific size, and the office wanted it in a clean folder, not just loose pages. "I can do this today," she told herself. "If I finish early, I won't panic later." After lunch, she went to the campus print room with a USB drive and a strong plan in her head. The room was small and warm, and the printer was making loud, unhappy noises. A student worker was tapping the machine like it was an old radio. Layla waited, trying not to look nervous. When it was her turn, she plugged in her USB. The screen froze. Then the printer showed an error message. The worker sighed. "Sorry, it's been like this all day. It prints black and white, but color is not working." Layla felt her stomach drop. "But I need color, today." "I know," the worker said, sounding tired. "Maybe the copy shop near the train station. It's not far." Layla walked outside, and the sky looked heavier than before. She checked her phone. The copy shop closed at 6. It was already 5:15. She started walking fast, then almost running. While she was crossing a street, she was thinking of every bad ending: missing the deadline, sending an incomplete portfolio, losing the chance. She could hear her own thoughts, loud and dramatic. At the station area, she found the shop easily, but the sign on the door made her stop. "Closed for maintenance." Layla stood there for a second, breathing hard. A man inside was moving boxes and rolls of paper. She knocked softly. He opened the door a little. "We're closed. Sorry." "I understand," Layla said quickly, "but I really need to print something today. It's for an application. Is there any other place nearby?" He looked at her face, then at the folder in her hands. "How many pages?" 22. "Color." He made a thinking sound. "There's another shop in Novi Liskovac. It stays open until 7, but you'll need to take a tram." Layla's heart was beating too fast. "Can you tell me which tram?" He grabbed a pen and wrote on a sticky note. "Tram number 8. Get off at the 3rd stop. It's next to a bakery." "Thank you," Layla said. "Really." She sat near the window and tried to calm down. The city lights were turning on, and people were chatting like it was a normal evening. Layla kept looking at the sticky note in her palm, as if it could disappear. She was also thinking, "Why didn't I print this earlier? Why do I always wait?" When she arrived, she saw the bakery first. It smelled like warm bread, and that smell made her feel a little safer. The print shop was there too, with bright lights and a small line. At the counter, a woman with short hair listened to Layla's request. 22 pages, color, good paper. You need it today?" "Yes," Layla said. "I'm sorry, I know it's late." The woman nodded. "No problem. It will take 15 minutes." Layla waited, watching the printer work like it was a miracle machine. While the pages were coming out, she imagined herself in Ireland, speaking English every day, learning new things, feeling brave. She didn't want that dream to end because of one broken printer. When the woman handed her the finished portfolio, the colors looked perfect. Layla opened it carefully, page by page, just to be sure. "It looks great," the woman said. "Good luck with your application." On the tram ride back, Layla finally let herself smile. She wasn't relaxed exactly, but she felt stronger. She had solved the problem on her own, without giving up. That night, she placed the portfolio on her desk and set a reminder on her phone. "Submit everything on Friday, not Sunday." "Next time," she said quietly, "I'm going to be ready." Thank you for listening and practicing English with us. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. See you in the next video.